So in the previous class, what we have seen is how a simple inbound delivery will going to happen. Okay, that is one thing. Along with that, we have seen the what are the different document types as well as the item types are there. Okay, and how ERP system is connected with the EWM system. Okay, all these things we have seen in the previous class. Okay, and we have stuck that one thing, that is how whenever we are doing the goods issue, that time in the ERP it was not triggering. Okay, it was simple error. When I sit after the class only, it is got resolved. Because what was the error, I'll tell you. Okay, in VA01, okay, sorry, VA03, I'll go. Our order was 186. Okay, 186 the order. So if you go into the line item, you can see the currency is USD here. But in that 40020, we have maintained the currency EUR. So I just changed that currency. Okay, nothing I have done. So it is resolved just after the class only. Okay, here in the control data. Sorry. Okay, I have done the USD. That's it. Okay, that is the only thing how our distribution is happening now. Okay, so I will just okay, I will yes.
Yeah, last class I told that same you created in the another currency, and you are doing when you are seeing in the euro.
Yes,
it is coming.
Correct.
I told I think.
Then I would have changed it to USD there only. Then it would have resolved. Okay, so we're going to create one more outbound delivery and we will going to check it. Okay, but still, your one of the deliveries still stuck in the queue only. If you want, we can check that. Okay, so I'll just go here /n PA03N. Okay, so this delivery is still stuck in the queue only. Okay, I'll just copy it. If you go to SMQ2. Execute, find this. See, it is still stuck in the queue. Okay, so when I already changed it. Okay, so what is the error? It is saying the posting can only be made in this GL account. Okay, so if you double click on this, it will go to the SLG1 okay, transaction. This is the SLG1 transaction. Okay, here it is the currency like that. It is saying. Okay, as we have already resolve this, you just reset the status. Okay, and refresh it. It will also go. Go back and come again. See, it is gone. Okay, so sometimes okay, the system is going to take little extra time to update the things. Okay, so now we can able to open that outbound delivery. Okay, and just go to /n/scwm/drdo. When I go here, you can see our entire picking and goods issue. It is entirely completed. Although we have done the goods issue, so that we have generated one outbound delivery document as well. Okay, outbound delivery is also created already. Okay, I'll just show that also. Okay, here outbound delivery also created. But in the ERP, it was showing still it was showing the incomplete status. Once I'm going to click enter and go to the document flow here, you can see it is in the completed status now. Earlier, only these two things we were getting. Now we can see it is completely done. And this is the goods issue document number. Okay, if you just take this document number and go to the PRDO screen, sorry, MIGO. In the MIGO screen, just have to give this document number and execute. You can find that document, okay, the goods issue had happened, okay, to this GL account, and you can see the movement type, that is 601. Got it? Any doubts here? No doubts, right? So after that, what we can do? Okay, so the entire goods issue is happening. Yes.
Any warehouse movement, another movement?
Another movement?
Yeah, 601 is showing like movement, right?
Yeah, this is MM movement.
Put warehouse tab.
Okay.
There only.
Here.
Yeah. There.
Okay. Nothing, no movements will be there, no here.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Correct, no, because whatever the movement which was happening, so this is happening through this 601 only. Correct, no? So what we will do? I will just now, if you want, you can able to do the reverse as well. Okay, you can reverse the goods issue. You cannot reverse the goods issue over here. Okay, in the outbound delivery side, you have done the goods issue, but there is no option to reverse the goods issue over here. So you have to do the reverse goods issue in the outbound delivery only. Okay. Here, this is the outbound delivery order. You cannot reverse the outbound delivery order. You can reverse the outbound delivery. Okay. So here is the option to reverse the goods issue. See, once I'm going to say reverse the goods issue. Yeah, you can change, see the change here. Okay. See, it is not started. Once, so this also has to be triggered back. Okay, this also has to be triggered back to the ECC. How it is going to trigger back to the ERP? It is to the PPF actions. Okay. So once you go to the PPF action, see the first delivery it is triggered yesterday, and the second reverse delivery it is triggered today. Okay. So if you go and check here, go back and come again with the okay. Then go to the document flow here. Another one document is created that is for the reverse goods issue. Okay, if you check this delivery, copy this and go here, just paste it. Okay, so here also it is 602. See here, movement type. Okay, goods issue is whenever it will be giving the reversal no. So that is where it is going to take the 602. Got it, no? Any doubts here?
Do we have any config for this PPF also?
Yes, we have to see the configuration for the PPF. Okay, we're going to see it little later. See, whatever the while doing the inbound delivery, I'm going to do the warehouse task manually, correct? No, those warehouse tasks you can do automatically also. That is through the PPF. And in the PPF, HU label printing, so many things will come. Okay, we're going to see few, and we'll see. Okay, this PPF actions also we have to cover. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So any doubts here? No. So shall we go for the stock removal strategy now?
Okay.
Okay. So next topic is about the stock removal strategy. Okay. See, we have seen how we're going to keep the material within the warehouse. That is about the stock, put away strategy we have seen. Okay. How many types of put away strategies? How many levels of put away strategies are there? How many levels? Yes. Forgot it already. Storage type level. Hmm. Storage section level and bin level. Okay, so three types of storage put away strategies will come. Okay, we can maintain the put away strategy at three levels. You can stop it at storage type level only. Okay, if it is just finding the storage type, that is fine. And they're going to determine the bin and means the system anyway, it is going to give you the bin and we can able to put the materials in the bin. That is one. Second thing is, no, I want to have the section check as well. Let us consider in the below section, you want to take the individual products. In the middle section, you want to take the carton boxes. You want to like segregate the products based upon the HU types, or else you want to segregate the products based upon the what is that fast moving, slow moving, something like that. Okay, then you have to take the section check as well. Okay, so we have seen that if you are maintaining the section check, if you are maintaining the section indicators at the warehouse data level in the product master, then you have to have the section check in the storage type. Or else you can directly just maintain the section check or section indicators at the storage type level in the product master, then section check is not at all required. Okay, all those things please do remind, means you just go back and check those things again. Okay, next thing is we have decide means beside the bin determination as well. Means if the BT01 is there, then only the material should go. BT02, then only material should go. Like that, we have given the idea. Okay, we have given the strategies. Like we have given the strategies in three types. Okay, whenever you are doing the put away, there are the three different levels you can able to do that. But when you are removing the stock, no, there is a single strategy that is at the storage type level only. Okay, we can just remove the materials from only at the single. Sorry, what is that? We can remove the material through the only one level, that is storage type level. Okay, stock remove.
Okay. Sri, one
Yes.
quick question.
Mhm.
So you are right now you are mentioning about stock removal strategy.
Yes,
So earlier we had a look on put away strategy. So
correct.
put away strategy and stock removal strategy, we are having same method. I mean, as you said, storage type level, storage section level, and bin determination level. Am I right?
No. Just now I said in the put away you are having three different levels, but in the stock removal you are having only one level, that is storage type level. You don't have the storage section level and the bin determination level. Okay, I'll show you.
Now you are mentioning about three types. Now I got confused.
Pardon?
No, now you were mentioning about three types. What are the three types of removal strategy?
Three types I have mentioned. No. Only one type is there in the storage stock removal strategy. That is at the storage type level only. Okay. So go to the SCM-EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Here, go to the goods issue process strategies. Okay. If you open the strategies, here only it is going to start. But in the goods issue process, if you open the strategies, it will show storage type search, section search, and the bin determination, right? So as of now, but here in the stock removal strategy, so the process starts from here only. Okay, so these are the steps. I'll be giving it here. Okay, so
Stock removal rule, storage. Now we do have storage type. Stock removal. So we are going to consider right now only for stock removal control indicator, right?
yes. Okay, see here. First thing, okay, in the what is that put away strategy? The first thing is not about the rule, because we don't make any rule over there. Okay, so here pick logics will come. Pick logics. Okay, in the put away strategy, what we have done, we have directly created the put away search sequence, sorry, storage type search sequence. Then we have assigned the stock storage types to the storage type search sequences. Okay, but here we are getting one rule. Okay, so the first one is specify stock removal rule is there. Okay, just execute this. In the specify stock removal rule, okay, you have the storage type. What is that? Here we have to define the rules for this. Okay, we have to define the rules for this. Okay, one thing, how we're going to define the rule? Okay, so just check anything is there for our business. Okay, yeah, it is there already. 1100. If you want, if you don't want, just remove this. Okay, anyway, you will. Okay, we're going to do it from the initial stage. Okay. Save this. Okay, go to the new entries. Okay, here I'm going to give my warehouse 1100. This is the warehouse. What is this removal rule? Means how you gonna remove the material? It might be based upon the first in first out, last in first out, or else what is that? Less quantity first out, more quantity first out. Okay, if whatever the bin which is having the more quantity, in from that bin I am taking the stock. Like that also you can able to define anything. Okay, there are around 33 what is that rules are there, you can use them. Okay, so I'll just give first in first out. Okay, at the initial stage, let us consider this first in first out rule, and we're going to proceed. Okay, I'm just creating this rule. Just select this, go to the stock removal rule. Okay, go to the stock removal rule. Here another thing is there. Okay, here sequence number, sort field. This is sort field is very important, and how you are going to sort this. Okay, we're going to see that. Okay, I'll say new entries. Okay, sequence it will going to take automatically. Sort field you can able to select. Okay, just see, you have around 33 entry fields. Okay, means 33 fields are there here. You can select anything. Okay, based upon the stock type you can able to remove, batch you can remove, country of origin you can remove. Okay, first this one should be the country first, this one should be the country, like that you can able to define over here. Okay, so based upon the country you can able to remove the material here. Okay, and what else? Okay, you are having, see, storage bin is there, and one minute, stock, where is that? Okay, owner is there, and available quantity is there. Based upon the quantity also you can able to remove the materials. Okay, like that we will be having so many different things, but most of the time we will going to use date and time of the goods received. Okay, first in first out means how we will going to identify the stock is came first. It is based upon the date and time of the goods received. Correct, no? So I'll be selecting this. Okay, for this, if I am clicking on the descending, what do you mean by descending? Let us consider. Okay, I have receiving the product one. Okay, so 1100 mat one is there. I am receiving this material. Okay, like I'm receiving the first material on 0104 03 2023. Okay, this is where I am receiving the first load. Okay, and next load it is coming on the 10/03 2023, and next load it is coming on the 16/3 2023. Okay, and next I'm receiving the load on 25th 3 23. Okay, then 15/4/23. Let us consider these are the 5 different dates how I am receiving the load. Now I am saying the rule. What is my rule? First in first out. Correct? Means what? Whatever the materials came first, this is the first in first. Means this material came first, this has to move first. That is my rule. Correct? No?
Right.
Okay, so this is the first material, means which I received first. This has to move out first. That is my rule. Okay, first in first out. If I am clicking, okay, I have selected the GR date and time. If I am clicking descending, what do you mean by descending? Okay, means first it will going to take this, then it will going to take it like this. Okay, it will take it like this. This is what the what is that? It will going to become reverse process. Okay, so descending means first it is going to find this state, and next this state, like that it is going to go. Okay.
So it is first we are providing first in first out, but it is going to take whatever it came at last. That will be taken. Yes.
If I am clicking on the descending, if I am not clicking on the descending, then it will be ascending only. Okay.
Okay.
Ascending means this is what the ascending is.
In which case we will choose descending?
I'll show you. Last in first out, I'm going to define means the same shortcut will be taking, and we're going to say descending here.
Last in first out.
Yes. Here it is the last in. Okay. It has to be first means.
Okay. Only for last in first out we are going to use. Or else we are not going to use for any other sequence.
No. Okay, for other sequence also we have to. Okay. See, I am going to select the quantity here. Okay, based upon the quantity attached to. So quantity, what I'll do, I'll going to make it as ascending means first it will whatever the, let us consider you are having some 5 bins here. Okay, these are the 5 bins what you are having. This bin is having around 4 materials. This bin is having around 6 materials. It is having 2 materials. It is having 8 materials, and it is having 9 materials. Let us consider this is the sequence. It is having some 3 materials. Okay, the bin numbers is something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'll be based upon the quantity, like I'll say less quantity first out. Okay, less quantity first out, like that I'm taking here. Okay, that time what is the less quantity? How it is going to take the bins? Okay, first it is going to choose this bin. Okay, next it is going to choose this bin. Next it will go to the third sequence, and fourth it is going to choose, and fifth it is going to choose, like this. If you are saying descending for this, okay, descending for this, first it is going to check this one. Correct, no? So like that, whenever you require that time, you can able to provide that descending or ascending. Okay. This.
So it is also like sorting.
Yeah,
okay.
That is what sorting you are doing it here. Okay. So first we are just creating a first in first out, and we are proceeding. Okay, I'll just click enter, save it, go back. Okay, so next thing, go back. Next thing, specify storage type search sequence. Okay, we have to specify the storage type search sequence. Okay, so how the search sequence we should take? Okay, that one we have to specify the storage type search sequence. Okay, so what I might do? Okay, what I might create. Okay, let us consider. I'll go here. Okay, if anything is there, just delete it. Okay, here 2, 3, 4 entries are there. Okay, just delete them. Okay, save it. Now what I will do, I'll create my own. Okay, storage type search sequence. Okay, here this one I am creating. I'll say new entries. My warehouse is 1100. My storage type search sequence, I'm going to define my own. I'll say removal 1. Okay, remove 1, REM1. Okay, this is the removal or else storage type search sequence REM1. Okay, I'll give that this. Okay, and the 1100 I'm going to make enter REM2, and storage type search sequence REM2, like that I'm going to define. 2 search sequence I have defined. Now here only we have the option of assigning the storage type to the storage type search sequence. See, this REM1 no ILP means we have to give it to the product. Okay, we have to assign this in the product master. Okay, where and all I'm going to show you. But select this and go to the assignment of the storage type to the storage search sequence. Okay, just like how you have assigned the SCQ1 you have defined for the sequence 1 and sequence 2 you have defined no. For the sequence 1 you have assigned the material 1. Okay, sorry, sequence 1 you have assigned for the material 1, sequence 2 you have assigned for the material 2. Correct? So sequence 1 means what? It will be taking the ST01 and ST02. We have defined it, right? So where we will going to assign the storage type to the storage type search sequence. Then only it will be taking like that. Okay, I'll just say new entries here. Okay, just observe here. It is coming automatically. Warehouse and storage stock. What is the search sequence? Okay, this is coming automatically. Now I have to just define the means assign the storage types here. Okay, what is my storage type? ST0 I'm going to use. Okay, second one is ST0 I'll give you. Okay, see, it is taken the sequence automatically. First, it is going to find the materials in the ST0. If there is no materials in the ST0, then it will go for the ST02. Got it, no? Okay, save this. Go back.
So, whatever storage type group and D, in this case,
1 minute. What you are asking?
Next storage type group.
This is the storage type group. Okay. So what we have done. Okay, we have not yet I think defined the storage type group. Okay. So storage type group means I have explained about the storage type group for you. Okay. See, whenever you are combination of the storage types. Okay. So let us consider the storage type 1 and storage type 2. You are using it for the like US materials. Storage type 3, storage type 4. You are using it for the some what is that different what is that materials. Okay, like that if you are mentioning some different materials, okay, you can able to define them into the storage type group. Okay, this thing I have explained it in the goods receipt process. Please go through this. Okay, so while explaining the goods receipt, I have explained about this. Okay, well, sorry, defining the storage type, I have defined about this. Okay, so next thing is the TU means whether you are utilizing the transport unit or not, transportation unit. Okay, stock on the transportation unit, like that they are mentioning. So this one is not required as of now because we have not yet coming to the any transport unit management and all. Okay, it is not required for us. Okay, so I have just saved this. Go back. Okay, next I'll going to take the REM2. Just go here. Okay, again do the new entries. Here I'm going to mention ST03 and ST04. Okay, we are having only these particular storage types. So that is why I have taken this storage type now. Okay, just save this. Okay, data was saved. Go back. Okay, I have given the ST03 and ST02 for a removal 2 strategy and ST01 and ST02 for the removal 1 strategy. Okay, so just go back. Sequences. Okay, so these are the search sequences I have defined. Next, define stock removal control indicator. Okay, here we will be defining one control indicator, and we are saying it as a stock removal control indicator. Okay, just like we have defined the put away control indicator in the what is that goods receipt process in the strategies. Okay, here we are having the stock removal control indicator. Just execute this. If anything is there, just remove them. Okay, ST0 and ST02 like that, it is available. Just remove them, save it. What I'll going to do, I'll create my own. Okay, new entries. Warehouse is 1100. Now my stock removal control indicator is stock removal control. Okay, that is the indicator 1. Okay, I will say stock removal control indicator. Okay, that is 01. Okay, next one 1100 stock removal control 2. Okay, this is stock removal control indicator. So I'm going to define like this. Okay, so this is for the 1100 what I have defined. So these things what we'll do, we'll going to assign it to the material master again. So product master we have to assign these things, stock removal control indicator. Okay, go back. Okay, determination of the stock type search sequence for the stock removal. Okay, see here how we will going to see in the what are the 5 parameters we have defined for the stock put away. Okay, specify storage type search sequence in the put away control indicator. Sorry, put away rules. What are the different parameters we have mentioned here? Specify storage type search sequence. What are the different parameters on which the search sequence will be defined?
So this is for put away control indicator.
No, just I am asking for the put away control indicator. What are the different parameters we have maintained there. Okay, this is for the stock removal, I know, but I'm just asking for the put away control indicator.
Warehouse process type, stock type,
Yes.
right?
Yes, you are right.
And we have quantity classification as well as we have PED also.
Exactly, and WPT. Okay.
Yes.
There are 5 parameters. Okay, you have to means if you are coming from the starting onwards, that will be a what is that put away control indicator, that is the first, WPT, stock type, quantity classification, then PED. Okay, like that you will going to take. But here, okay, once I'm going to execute this, here also you'll be getting some different parameters here. Only you will be having a removal rule, warehouse process type, stock type, and quantity classification. Only based upon these things. Here, TED will not going to come into the picture. Okay. Only 4 types are available in the stock removal. Okay. But 5 parameters are available in the put away. Got it? Differences I'm telling. Okay. So I'll say for if anything is there for mine. Okay. I'll just remove it. 1100. Okay. Here we are having things. Okay. Just remove them. Save it. Okay, just go to new entries. Okay, so warehouse, my warehouse is 1100 and removal rule. Okay, so here this is the 2-step picking. Okay, I'll yes. So this 2-step picking we're going to see it later. Okay, so this is removal. Okay, it is telling about the removal, right? I'll say REM1. Okay, REM1 is the removal 1. Okay, as for this, let us consider. Sorry, removal, no, SRC1, removal control indicator. This is okay. Yeah. SRC1 is the removal control indicator. Stock removal control indicator, like that I am defining. Okay, warehouse process type. Okay, here also you can able to test the things. I don't want to take the warehouse process type. I just want to, based upon the stock removal control indicator, I want to proceed. That is fine. Okay, just give here, see here. It is asking for the storage type search sequence. It is asking for the storage type search sequence. You have to give the storage type search sequence. What is the storage type search sequence here? REM1, correct? No? For REM1, what are the different storage types you have assigned?
ST01 and ST02.
Okay, so here it is asking for the rule. Okay, I will going to give FIFO for this. First in, first out for this. Okay, next thing I'm going to define. Okay, 111100. And SRC2. For this, let us take REM2. REM2. Okay, this is the removal rule. I'll take a LIFO. I have not defined. Okay, let me define and come here. Okay, this rule is not found. Okay, it is saying. Okay, just give FIFO only. For LIFO, I'm going to tell it later. Okay, not an issue. So FIFO only I have defined. Just save this. Okay, I have just taken based upon the removal rule. See here, only based upon the removal rule, or else what is that removal stock removal control indicator? I have taken this rule. Okay.
So this is one quick question.
Yes.
Sorry. So here also we have warehouse process type.
Yes.
And here also we have stock type. And quantity classification we have.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Okay. No, this is what I have explained. Okay, PED only it is not available like that I said. Okay. Okay. So this one is done. Go back. Okay, so I have just defined SRC1 and SRC2. Based upon this, it should find, okay, whatever the material product master it is having SRC1, no, it will going to find this. Whatever the product master will be having the SRC2, no, it will going to find this. Okay, so for the product master, we'll going to check now. Okay.
Okay, so the only difference over here is we don't have PED, and instead of put away control indicator, we have a removal control indicator.
Yes. Okay, 1100. Just go to the change. Okay, here you can see warehouse data. We have assigned the F1 here. Okay, so if you want to maintain the F1, then it will going to find for F1. Okay, what it will going to find? Just see here. SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Okay, goods issue, warehouse process type, cross process settings. Here, warehouse task in that warehouse process type. Okay, we have to, I will go to the determination of the warehouse process type. Okay, here 1100. See here, if F1 means it will going to give means for the put away. Okay, for the put away it is taking F010. But here OUTB F1 means it will going to take a F210. Okay, if I am bringing the stock, okay, then it will take the F210. But I want 2010 over here. Just remove this. Then it will take a 2010. Understanding no? For mat 1. If nothing is there, it will going to take 2010. See here. If OUTB is the one, then it will take 2010. But it will take 2010. Yes, right. Yes, okay. So I will be giving this, go down. For put 1, we have given, okay, put away control indicator, we have given put 1. But stock removal control indicator is there. I'm going to give SRC1 over here. Okay, just click enter, save it. Okay, it is done. Go back. I want to give it for the material 2 also. Go to the change. Okay, here warehouse data. Let it be like this because I want to see. Okay, that PDCI. Okay, so this one I'm going to assign it again F1 because F1 0000 it is not there now. Okay, so put 2 is there here. SRC2 I'm going to give SRC2. Click enter. So this is what I have defined here. Okay, SRC2 I have defined. Okay, so if SRC2 is there, then it will go into F1 is there means which one it will going to take, which warehouse process step it will going to take. F20 F210 it will take, correct? Yeah. Okay, so but as of now, okay, we are whenever we are bringing the material 2, then only it will take this one. Material 1 means it is 2010 only. Okay, so just save this as well. Okay, save this as well. Now go to the what is that? Go back. Okay, SRC1 and SRC2 we have assigned here. Go over here. Okay, we have given this. Okay, determination is done, but now we have to do the optimization. Okay, on based upon what parameter we are considering. Okay, you might be having defined, you might be 10 parameters you might have defined, but on what parameter we will going to define first, second, third, like that we will going to give it over here. Okay, so just remove these things. Remove it. Okay, save it. We will going to define our own. Okay, I'll say new entries. Okay, just we have only one thing. Okay, 1100. I'm going to give the sequence one. Okay, we are taking the removal control indicator. Okay, stock removal control indicator. Just give this, save it. Okay, so this is what we have done entirely. Okay, now let's create one outbound delivery /n VL01N. Okay, okay, this is 186 is the order and shipping point is 1100. Click enter. Okay, I will going to create for both the materials. Okay, so we're going to bring both the materials so that we can see the difference there. And say /n VA01. Okay, I am creating a one more order. Here it is OR, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, create with reference. Okay, one order is there. I'm going to take 186. Okay, click enter. 186. Okay, copy it. Okay, it is going to copy everything from this. But still, we have to give the customer reference. Okay, some test one I'm going to give, and this date we have to provide. Okay, so here is the material one we have seen. And for this material one, again, if you double click on this, we have to provide the shipping tab. We have to provide the AFS storage location. It is available. Okay, and shipping point it is available. So all these things you should see. Okay, just go to the edit mode and see in completion log. Okay, we have to give the pricing pressure. It is already taken. Okay, where is the conditions? You can see your PR00 it is taken. Okay, now I want to define the for the mat 2 also in the same screen. Okay, here I'm going to give 1100 mat 2. Okay, so 100 materials. Let us consider like this. Okay, here give the plant 1100. After that click enter. Okay, just click enter. So it is okay. So this is for the 20. Okay, 20 it is taken. Double click on this. For this also we should define everything. Okay. See here, PR00 it is not there. Okay, just we have to define the PR00. PR00. Some 10 rupees. I'm 10 USD. I'm going to give. Okay. Then go to the shipping. We have to assign the shipping point is there, but storage location we have to assign it. Okay, just check if any incompletion data is there for this. Okay, so document is complete. So everything is complete now. Just save this. We are taking both the materials, mat 1 and mat 2. Okay, so 188 has created. So just go to slash and PL01N. Okay, so 188 is there. Just click enter. Okay, so I am taking one material. Let us consider. Okay, one material I am taking. I have defined the what is that first in first out. Okay, so we're going to see that also how the material will be removing and all. Okay, we're going to see that. So just save this. So it is distributed. Okay, 6 to 6 is the outbound delivery. Let it be like this. Okay, I'm going to go for the outbound delivery now. Slash n slash SCWM slash PRDO. Okay, so just give the 6 here and check the default value. Okay, this is one more important thing. Okay, 1100 is there. Execute this. Okay, we are getting this delivery, and along with that, we are getting 2 line items. Okay, if you are checking the first line item in the form view, go down. You can see the stock removal warehouse process type is 2010. Correct, no? Why it is taken 2010?
Yeah, we have not put it.
F1. Yes, you are right. Okay, so that process determination control indicator we have not kept there, so that is why it is 2010. And whatever the party entity dispose, everything is coming. Okay, so it is all intact. Okay, we are not going to check them, but only thing we have to check the this whether it is coming correctly or not. Okay, that one we should check. See here, F210 it is taking. Okay, so this is because of the warehouse process type determination. Okay, determine the determination of the warehouse process type. Very important. Okay, so this warehouse process type determination again. And what are the parameters are of warehouse process determination? And which parameters will going to determine the warehouse process type? See, document type, item type, delivery priority, and process determination control indicator. Okay, so it should be on your tongue. Okay, all the time. So because it means definite questions. Okay, most of the time people will going to ask in the interviews as well as what is that certification. If you want to do the certification also, these things will be asking. Okay, so just go through this. Okay, I will go outbound delivery, foreign functions, warehouse task. Okay, let us consider. I will go to the monitor and we're going to see, okay, which material it is, from which bin it is taking. Okay, so I'll go to the environment and monitor SAP. Okay, for material 1, okay, we have assigned the SRC1. Okay, and SRC1, if it is there, then we have defined the RE amount it should consider. Correct, no? And for RE amount search sequence, we have given the storage types as ST01 and ST02. Am I right? Correct, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will see. Okay, in which bin, okay, ST01 I'll take, because ST01 stocks are there. Okay, in ST01 stocks are there. Okay, just execute this. I have said first in, first out. Okay, I have said first in, first out. Correct, no? So which stock came first, which stock came next, like that we can able to define based upon the GR date. You can go here, or else you can go in the physical stock also. Both where it will be possible. 1100 mat 1 I'll say. Okay, execute this. I'm going to define the first in, first out. Okay, see, GR date is there. What I have to do? I have to take it in the this one ascending order. Okay, just click on this. Okay, see, first we have received a stock on 19.3. Correct, no? Around 5 quantities are there. 23, 2 quantities are there. Okay, then it should taken from this bin only. It should take from this particular bin. Getting the concept?
Yes.
Because this is first in, so it has to move first. Okay. Then we're going to change the rule and we're going to see. Okay, but first you just observe this. Okay. So now I'll be say clicking on the create. Okay. If it is taking, then the whatever the strategies we have done, it is correct. Just go down. See here from which bin it is taking ST01, 01, 01. Correct, no? Here you can see this. Correct.
Yeah.
Next thing. Okay. Next thing. We'll finish this. Okay. Then we're going to create one more and we're going to check that. Okay. So this one, okay, F210 is there. It is taken as a ST03 and ST04. Okay, just take the ST03 now. ST03 and match to and take. Execute. See here, GR date. I'm going to click on the ascending order. Okay, so in 28, you have received it. Okay, ST01, 01, 01, it is the stock is available around 4 quantities. So what I'll do, I'll say create. It should take that bin. Okay, because this is also taken the FIFO only. Okay, see, it is taken from this particular bin. You got it, no?
Yeah.
So what I will do, I'll just finish the entire activity here. Okay, I'll say create plus save. Sorry, it is only for one line item it has taken. So no, it is taken for both the things. See here, 2 warehouse tasks were created, but only one warehouse order will be generated. Okay, see, confirm. Only one warehouse order. Sorry, 2 warehouse orders. Sorry, 2 materials are picking from the 2 different bins. Yeah, definitely 2 warehouse orders will be generated. Just select them and confirm them. Okay, means we are removing the stock, something like this. After the confirmation, what you have to do? The goods issue is not yet happened. Okay, see, go back. See, goods issue is not yet happened here. So if you want to do the goods issue, click on the goods issue. Then only the goods issue is going to take place and your outbound delivery is going to get triggered. Okay. Until that, it will not be triggering. Okay, this is one activity, entire activity we have completed. Let's go and check one more. Okay, what I'll do? I'm changing some things here. Okay, I'm changing few things here. Here I'll go to the specify stock removal rule. Now I'm going to specify for 1100. We have defined only one, right? Okay, I'm going to define one more. New entries, I'll say 1100. Stock removal rule is LIFO. Okay, that is last in, first out. I'll be taking. Okay, so just select this. Go to the stock removal rule. Okay, here we have to define the sort field, right? So go to the new entries. I'll be taking the same sort field. That is based upon the goods receipt date. Okay, this one also you can take, and the date and time also you can take. Okay, and we are explaining that one. I'm going to give descending. What do you mean by descending? It will going to take the first, whatever the last material came, no, that one it will going to take first. Okay, correct, no? Last date means whatever the recent date material came, no, that one it will going to take first. Okay, then it will go for the further things. Descending, I am saying. Okay, just save this. I have created this rule. Go back. Here, I'll come to the determination of the storage type search sequence. Go here. Okay, here what I'll do for 1100. See, SRC1 is there and SRC2 is there. I'll going to create different now. New entries. Okay, see, all these things, can you able to practice it based upon the stock type and all? Can you able to practice it? Yeah, please do it. Okay, if you are not getting anything, you can ask me anytime. Okay, we will going to go accordingly. And see, this is very simple only. However, we have done the stock put away rule. No? Same like we are having the removal rule. Just okay, take the stock type as Q3 and from which storage type it is taking. Okay, for that also definitely you have to define the stock removal rule and all, and you have, sorry, that search sequence you have to define. Then you have to check this. Okay, so you have already seen in the stock put away rule, put away control kit, how they will going to define, and strategy we have seen put away. Just like that, you just define the stock removal strategy and assign those particular storage types. Then try it out. Okay, definitely it will come to you. Okay, you can able to do this. Okay, very easy tools. Now what I'll do, I'll give 1100 and removal rule. I'll say no, I just want to go through the various process type. Okay, if 2010 is there, then it should find the storage type. Storage types are sequence as REM1. Okay, if this REM1 is there, I'm giving the LIFO for this, last in first out for this. Okay. Now I'll give 1100. If it is F210, so various process type, then you should take REM2. For this, let us consider FIFO only. I'll be giving. Click enter. Okay. So like this, I am giving the rule now. Save this. This rule you can change whenever you want. Okay. These rules you can change whenever you want. Okay. So just go back. Go back. Optimization I'll go because I want to take it based upon the stock removal. What is that? Various process type. No, I have to define that. Remove this and give the various process type. Now it will not going to consider the removal indicator. Although the material is having this, okay, although in the product master you have defined this, but it will not going to consider. Okay, it will just consider the what is that various process type, and it will going to remove the material. What
okay, Sri, yes. One quick question.
Yes.
So we have different type of strategies available for each and every process.
Okay.
If it is storage type level, storage section level, I'm just one quick recap.
So storage section level, you don't have the.
Not over here. In survey, we have that, and in removal, we have different concept. I totally agree.
Correct.
But there will not be any conflict between these two. I mean, for example, that is separate, this is separate. I totally agree. But my question is, if we are defining 2 to 3 levels of strategies each, okay. So if there is any conflict and by mistake we have done something and it is put to production, and later they are confirming this is not working. Why it is not working? We have to analyze and we have to provide solution for them.
Yes.
In that case, can we remove that strategies which is already moved to production? Can we revoke the changes?
Yeah, you can do anything because you are doing the customization, no? See, you will going to whenever I'm going to do the changes, when I'm going to start means try to save it, it will going to ask one TR. Okay. So this TR anyway will be transferring to the SC1. You will going to SC01 will be transferring from SC1. You will be taking it there. You are taking the TRs over there. Correct, no?
Right.
Whatever the change you will be making, that will going to appear there. Okay. Through this TR.
Yes.
Once I'm going to release this TR from here, okay, whatever the data I have done, it is stored in this TR. I cannot able to make use of the same TR and I can proceed. Am I right?
Right.
I have to create a new TR.
Again. We may have to change again and one more TR will generate.
Yes.
Through that only we can remove.
Correct. Again, we are transferring that and we are taking that TR over there and we are proceeding.
Okay? Yeah, because what I had some doubt is in release strategy, we should not delete. If we are deleting, that could be a very big impact on system because some POs has already been processed. Correct. And later we have identified some issue in the release strategy.
No. For that, first we have to check the open POs and all. No, we cannot directly do that. If all the POs are closed, then only we can proceed with that.
Because we have done some changes and a lot of people they have started using.
No, they are the change request will come. Okay, whenever you are having the change request, that time enhancement will come into the picture for the release strategy. Enhancement in the sense let us consider, okay, from 0 to 10 lakh, they might be having some release codes. From 10 to 20, they might be having a release codes. But the customer is asking No, I want to 0 to 5 1 and 5 to 10 1, 10 to 21. Then here we have to insert 0 to 5 and 5 to 10, correct? No, instead of 0 to 10. So that time, that is a change request. Okay, so you need to prepare the strategy according to that.
Okay, because on the existing one, I heard that we should not do any deletion, because if we delete, there could be some conflict on the existing document. So it is better go ahead with the new one, and you keep. You can remove this release strategies, the parameters what you have said, and you can, or else you can include a block indicator on that release strategy which you have created, like 02 is there. If we block that, that release strategy will not trigger, and we can create new strategy and we can test it and we can move it to production as a new one. So there will not be any complex.
No, here so many champions are there. No, Jay is there, Ajay is there in the MM set. You can just discuss with them, okay? But these things, okay, you can change whenever you want and you can proceed, okay? Remove strategy then. Because once it is removed, that's it. Later on, it will not going to come again, and okay, so like that, it is going to happen. Got it, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have defined the process type here. Okay, just save this. Go back. Okay, now we're going to check one more test case. Okay, click enter. Let us consider I am taking five materials. Okay, I am taking 5 materials. Here also I am taking 5 materials. Okay, just save this. See here, delivery is created. I'll go to the 7, it is created, execute. Okay, it is not started. Go to the outbound delivery following functions warehouse task. Okay. For the first material, okay, for the first material, what I have given, we'll just check it. That here. Okay, go to the determination, position, 1100. See here, I am going to do it on the warehouse process type now. Correct, no? 2010 means it should find the removal 1, means it will going to definitely find the ST01 first. Correct, no? And I have given the LIFO last till first out. Means whatever the material is coming last, it should go first, like that I am saying. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this and I'll say create. Just see here which
ST01, whatever the latest bill is there.
Yeah, latest. Okay, latest. See, okay. First, okay, no, I shouldn't have clicked. Okay, it is anyway. What I'll do, I'll go to the what is that? The monitor. I'm going to click on the physical stock. ST01 you take. MAT1 take. I have taken 5 stocks. Remember, just execute this. Okay, so here I will going to take in the descending order. See, all the time we are having 1 stocks. Okay, so that is why it is taken from the different bins here. From this bin on 14 we have done recently. So from this, what is this? ST01 1 2 3. Okay, we should find 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is available here. Okay, it is in some HU. It is taking that stock. Next thing is 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1 is available. Next stock. Okay, the third one 1 to 1 again. Okay, it is taking 1 to 1. Because of the different HU, it has taken the different. Okay, and again fourth is 1 to 1, 1 to 1.
HU is mandatory over here in outbound.
No, HU is mandatory. Okay, whenever you are doing the packing and all, packing is must. Okay, but this HU, it is already there.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but we have not done any packing.
No. That is what I'm saying. It is picking from this HU. I'm saying.
Okay.
It is picking from this HU, correct? No, because
we have
the,
already completed the DR and we have already received that HU.
The HU is already there within the put away that bin.
Okay. We are not doing any.
Right now, I'm not doing any packing, but later on, I'm going to do that. Okay, later on, I'm going to come to that picture. Whenever I'll be doing the POSC, POSC has to work with the HU. I have already told you. Without HU, POSC will not be work. Okay, so here now I am just doing a simple outbound. Okay, when the complex outbound will come, POS is sorry, HU is must. Okay, so here you can see this particular case. Okay, so it is done. Okay, so before going to this, see here also I have taken 5 materials. Correct? No, F210. So I'll go to the ST03. ST03 Mat 2. Okay, here we'll see. Let me know which bin it will going to select. We have defined, okay, how we have defined. So F210 means I have defined F FIFO only, first in, first out. Okay, here and based upon the GR date, I'm going to say in this ascending order, I'm going to take it here. GR date, ascending order, I'll take. Okay, so we are taking 5 materials. So what are the different bins it will going to consider now?
So first 3 bins it will trigger.
Yeah, first 3 bins will, yeah, all are 1, 1, 1 only, but they are having the HU. Okay, so like that it is going to trigger. Now we're going to check that. Okay, I have taken this, say create here.
So right now it is not considering HU is mandatory one. Whatever stock is available, whatever storage bin is available, values are getting fixed.
Yes, total 5 materials it has taken. Correct, no? You can proceed with that. Okay, select both RLs. You can directly click on the select create the step. Then you can confirm it. Confirm it. Confirm after the confirmation, refresh the screen. Okay. See here, still 3 materials it is showing. Still 1 material it is showing. Still 1 material is showing. Why? I have done the confirmation. I am picking from here like that. But still it is showing the 3 material, 1 material, 1 material. Why?
Goods issue is not done, right?
Yes, goods issue is not done. Okay. I have confirmed it. Okay, I am picking it from here, but goods issue I have not done. Okay. So once I'm going to see, picking is completed. Okay. Once I'm going to execute again, picking will be completed. Correct. Okay, 1 minute. Only following functions warehouse task. I shouldn't see any warehouse task here. Okay, there is no warehouse task. Anyway, open warehouse task are there. We'll check it. Okay, here you go and see open warehouse task. Whether I have confirmed it, no, both the things. Okay, see here, so many warehouse tasks are open. I have to go select and go to the warehouse order. I think I have not yet confirmed it. Sorry. Okay, they are open and say confirm the save. Okay, now they are confirmed. Okay, go back. Go back. Okay, picking is still picking is showing now started. Okay, it has to refresh. Now it is showing. Now picking is completed. Okay, I'm going to refresh this thing. See, it is gone. It is picked already. Okay. Now I'm going to do the goods issue. So it will going to goods issue is completed means one outbound delivery is going to generate here. See, one outbound delivery is going to generate here. Got it, no?
Yeah, once picking is completed, then
Stock will going
stock
to yeah.
is also put.
Yeah, stock should remove actually. That is what I am thinking. So the tasks were not confirmed. That is why it was showing the same thing. So once it is picking is happened, the stock should reduce here in the bin, and goods once you are going to say the goods issue, then only what is that your outbound delivery is going to generate. Until that, the outbound delivery is not going to generate. Okay. So any doubts here? Okay. So this is what it is all about, the goods. What is that stock removal rule? Okay, so this is the strategy which will be used for the removal of the stock. We can see some different rules as well. Okay, tomorrow's class. But before that, I want to show you how to upload the stock. Okay, we will going to see how we will going to upload the stock, from where we will going to take the template and all. We will going to check it in the tomorrow's class. Okay. because initial upload of the stock is really important. Most of the time, whenever you are going for the what is that new implementation, that is must. Okay. Even although if it is not the new implementation, sometimes okay, rollout and all, there also you'll be using it. Correct? No? So tomorrow we're going to check that. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
While practicing, if you have doubt, please do ask me. Okay. Yeah.